22 Astonishing Game of Thrones Facts You Don't Know. Due to the popularity of the show, more than 450 babies were named Khaleesi in 2017. And over 2,000 were named Arya. The pilot of the show was originally much different, featuring different actors in key roles. It was apparently a piece of junk. The horse heart Daenerys ate for Khal Drogo on the show was actually a 3-pound mass of a gummy bear-like substance injected with a sugary syrup to resemble blood. After being covered in blood while filming this gory scene, Emilia Clarke, who plays Daenerys, got stuck on a toilet seat. Peter Dinklage is a vegetarian. All the meat that he eats on the show isn't real. Charles Dance, Tywin Lannister, skinned a real stag during a scene. Charlie Chaplin has a relative on the show. It's Robb Stark's late wife played by Oona Chaplin. In 2015, the actor who plays the Mountain, Halvor Bjornsson, broke a millennia-old record after he carried a 1,433-pound log 5 steps. The Dothraki language was created just for the show and contains more than 3,000 words. In the Northern Ireland production alone, Game of Thrones used 4,000 gallons of fake blood. There is a Game of Thrones porn parody called Game of Bones. The events of the Red Wedding and the use of wildfire are inspired by real events. The Scottish Black Dinner and the Greek Fire respectively. The Iron Throne is made of real swords, with one of the swords belonging to the Lord of the Rings. George R.R. Martin revealed the ending of the book series to the television show's producers D.B. Weiss and David Benioff, in case he does not live to finish the books. But not before making them guess who Jon Snow's real mom was. Sophie Turner, the actress who plays Sansa Stark, adopted her direwolf, Lady, in real life after she was killed off by Ned Stark in the series. With incredible special effects, brilliant stunt scenes, and costumes worth more than your wardrobe put together, each episode costs over $10 million. After the first episode of the show aired, the actor who plays Joffrey, Jack Gleeson, received a letter from George R.R. Martin that read, "Congratulations, everyone hates you." He's since retired from acting. The show is credited with inventing the phrase sexposition, which basically means revealing important plot points of a story while tons of gratuitous sex is happening. In season 3 of the show, the sound designers used, among the noises of other animals, the sound of two tortoises having sex to make the roars the dragons made. Before his audition for Jon Snow, Kit Harington got into a fight at McDonald's and ended up auditioning with a big black eye. Kit Harington, Jon Snow, and Rose Leslie, Ygritte, are now officially a real-life couple as well. Because of an obscure rule barring her from sitting on any foreign throne, Queen Elizabeth was forbidden from sitting on the show's Iron Throne when she visited the set. For more facts about your favorite movies and TV shows, like and subscribe.